Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Nissan X-Trail ST, stock reference number 5781. The shape runs from the 9th month 2007 through to the 12th month 2013. It has a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual all-drive transmission. QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left guard has no damage, left power door mirror, bonnet has no damage. Left front, 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Both left-hand doors have no damage. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the right-hand tail light. Right rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has 2 small dents and a 3-inch fold on the rear edge. Right power door mirror. Right guard has 1 dent. Driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated control, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.